Respected principal, worthy teachers, my classmates, and all students of the BMS, Assalamu alaikum. I am really very excited today because the topic is the constructive role of youth and the nation building. Mr. President, development of a nation is a constructive process of engaging all people of the country and making political stability, social unity, and economical prosperity of the country in all-encompassing and democratic manner. Mr. President, poet says, अपराध के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, अपराध के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, हर पर्दे है मिल्लत के मुक़द्दर का सितारा. Although in this process of nation building, all of the citizens are involved, but as the youth constitutes major part of it. Thus they have the most important role to play in the development of the country. Mr. President, youth is the symbol of energy, emotion, strength, optimism, enthusiasm, and eager spirit. If nation is a body, then youth is the strength of the body. Youth is the fresh blood of the body. Youth is the undefeatable will of the body. Youth is the hope of the body. No nation can go ahead and advance without the rule of youth. The elders and great brain plan for the development of the country, and they are youth who work upon all the dreams and make true the dreams of the nation. Mr. President, if we study the history of the world, we come to know about the fact that whenever a great revolution took place in the world, the key role was of the youth. Alexander the Great was a young man who with his strong determination came out of greed and conquered half of the world. In the start of Islam, Hazrat Ali Rizallahu Anhu was a young boy who supported Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam in every thick and thin and slayed the great enemy of Islam in the battlefield. The great enemy of Islam, Abu Jahl, was killed by two youngsters, Maaz and Mauz. Muhammad bin Qasim was 17-year-old, a young boy who is known in the Islamic State among the greatest victors, defeated Raja Dahir and established an Islamic government in Sindh. He opened a channel for spreading Islam in the subcontinents, and now we should be grateful because of whom we are called Muslim. Mr. President, our national poet, Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, was aware of the fact that there are youth who can uplift the nation and can change the fate of the nation. So he mostly addressed the youth and used for them the symbol of Shaheen or Uqab. Because Shaheen resembles with movement and youth and spirit, energy, strength. He wanted to see a good spirit and youth, as he said. उक़ाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, उक़ाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, नजर आती है उन्हें अपने मंजिल आसमानों में. Mr. President, the youth must be courageous. They must be brave-hearted to face problems and to cross hurdles and to go ahead in life. They should never be discouraged. Iqbal says, तंदिबाद मुखालिफ से न घबराए उक़ाब, तंदिबाद मुखालिफ से न घबराए उक़ाब, अभी तो चलती है तुझे ऊंचा उड़ाने के लिए. Mr. President, the youth must know their duty. They are the member of the society. They must prove themselves to be good Muslim and responsible citizen. Mr. President, they should have self-respect. They have to get knowledge and be skillful. Without self-respect, knowledge and skill, they will never prove themselves truly the builders of our nation. How beautifully a poet say, जिस कौम के बच्चे ना हो खुददार और हुनरमंद, जिस कौम के बच्चे ना हो खुददार और हुनरमंद, इस कौम से तारीख के मेहमान न मांगो.